Hello guys, welcome back on MeltflexAI. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or just homeowners who wants to redesign their own space. But today we will talk something about reconstruction of our clothes shop. So imagine a situation, you own a small boutique, for example. It can look something like this and you want to give it like a nice new look. So all you have to do, just snap a photo of your space, put it inside the Meltflex, and right now we can start reconstruction and redesigning. Yeah. So I have this clothes store and I want it to be redesigned in a stylish but minimalistic style, yeah, but minimalism. So typos doesn't matter that much. AI actually knows what you wanted to say. So let's see the different variation that it gives us, and difference between the Gemini or ChatGPT and actually using the Meltflex is that you will get the shoppable furniture. So for all these wardrobes, all these like boxes and anything, also the mirrors, you will actually get the shoppable furniture that you can actually buy after the end. So this is pretty cool. So let's go with different variations. So we wanted minimalism, but it gave us also something. This is like a different angle. We are not sure what's here, if it's a wall or something, but this is type of the design that we could actually have. Looks like a luxury boutique. This one is also pretty cool. This is more, let's say, I don't know. It's just the colors are all the same right here. The mirror is pretty nice. And let's go with this one. This is like a coastal style or something. So you can actually see that they also gave you counter right here. But you, for example, are satisfied with the look of, let's say, this one, and you want to change this box. So all you have to do, just type like, select what you want to change. So I want to change this for the solid. I want to change this for the solid black. And let's go with different variations and we will see actually what it gives us. And then I will show you how this furniture is actually shoppable. You can also, for example, if you have a client and you want to show him the interior of the clothes shop, see it right here. It's just loading up. As you can see, it gave the black. You can also add for the clients. So add the people in movement to shop. Let's go with two variations. So it actually adds people that are moving. So you don't have to spend hundreds of hours rendering it inside the SketchUp or something. You will see it pretty clearly right now after 20 seconds. So this is really usable. And then regarding the shoppable furniture, I will show you. So for example, as you can see, so we started with something which looked, I just canceled this. So we started with something which looked like this, and we ended up with this. Well, this is pretty a lot of people on this small shop. We end up with something which looks like this. And for example, if you actually like this design and you were satisfied with this, for example, house plan right here, you can actually find the shoppable house plans. So you will see which house plans are available within your country. So you can actually shop it and have like these kind of uh, house plans get delivered to you, and you don't have to spend thousands of euros for delivery. If, for example, you want a different furniture and you want to shop, for example, real furniture, we have all these brands right here. So from IKEA to anything else, so you can actually change the furniture. Like you can go for the bookcases and add, for example, bookcase. So you can add this inside and you will actually see how the bookcases looks inside the space that we reconstructed. So let's wait around 20 seconds again and you will see it right here. And it's actually shoppable furniture because you can actually buy this bookcase on IKEA and you can visualize the real furniture inside Meltflex AI. And the coolest thing about this is the first generation is absolutely for free. So go there and try it out. You can see how it added the bookshelf right here. It's the same one that's on the IKEA website. And yeah, this is super amazing. We changed it completely to something more stylish, and you will see what other things you can do if you try it out. And I really encourage you to do because first generation is for free, and then it's from 29 bucks per month up to, if you're enterprise and intergenerator, to 20. Have a nice day. Ciao.